Geyer. They're side by side in row 3. Row 4, Kurt Busch and Trevor Bain, Elliott Saber and Brad Sweet together in row number 5. Just like that, we are set to go under the lights here at Daytona. 100 laps, 250 miles for the NASCAR Nationwide Series. And for the start tonight, here's the Motor Racing Network's Marty Hall.
Here they come down to the pit road. Get ready to see the green flag, the ethanol of America's green flag. About to fly in front of 100 green. Next cars on this road.